Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wished you could turn your Google Sheets into a sleek, functional app without a lick of coding, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you step by step through creating your very own custom app using AppSheet straight from Google Sheets. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to start building apps that make your data a whole lot more useful and interactive, whether it's for managing projects, organizing inventory, or simplifying team tasks. All right, let's jump right in. First things first, we need to get AppSheet set up as an add-on in your Google Sheets. So open up the spreadsheet you want to turn into an app. At the very top, look for the Extensions menu. That's your gateway to extra tools. Hover over or click on Add-ons, then select Get Add-ons. This will open up the Google Workspace Marketplace, which is kind of like the App Store for Google tools. Now in the search bar, type in AppSheet. When it pops up, click on it and then hit Install. It might take a few seconds, and you may see some permission prompts. Just follow along. Once AppSheet is installed, let's move on to the fun part, actually picking the data you want to use for your app. Take a good look at your spreadsheet. Maybe you're tracking client contacts, keeping tabs on tasks, or listing inventory. It doesn't matter what the data is, just make sure your sheet is set up with clear column headers and organized rows. This makes it way easier for AppSheet to understand and translate your data into an app format. Now head back up to the Extensions menu at the top of Google Sheets. This time when you scroll down, you'll see AppSheet as one of your available add-ons. Go ahead and select it, then look for the option that says Create an App. Click on that. AppSheet will need a moment to process your sheet. It's basically reading your data layout and figuring out how to turn it into an app structure. Sometimes this loading step can take a minute or two, especially if you have a lot of data. Don't worry if it spins for a bit, that's totally normal. As a security measure, you're going to see a request asking for access to your Google account. This is important. AppSheet needs permission so it can read your sheet and build the app. Just hit Continue and follow any prompts. If you're cautious about giving permissions, remember, you're only granting access to your account for the purpose of managing your own data with AppSheet. Right after that, the Setup wizard will ask you a few questions. These are usually straightforward, asking things like what you want to name your app or which data you want front and center. If you're unsure, just go with the suggested options for now. You can always tweak and perfect things later on. Nothing is set in stone at this stage. Finally, when you see the prompt to customize with AppSheet, go ahead and click it. This is where the real magic happens. You'll be taken to the AppSheet editor where you can start adjusting how your app looks, what features it has, and how your data is displayed. Think of it like customizing the layout of your space. You're not just stuck with the default. And that's it. You've laid the groundwork for creating a fully functional app with just your Google Sheets and AppSheet. Now you can start tailoring it to your needs, adding features, setting up workflows, and making your data work for you in entirely new ways. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up. Got stuck anywhere or want specific app ideas? Drop your questions in the comments. I'm always here to help. And if you haven't already, subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials like this one. Thanks so much for watching and happy app making.